Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Animal World. Today we are going to know about 8 different type of elephant species. Watch till the end and let me know which all species you have seen and what are your experience with these huge wonderful creatures. Let's begin. So, here we are with the first category, that is Indian elephants, and by the name itself we can figure it out where we can find them. In the Asian country India. Also, unfortunately, they are endangered species with the population of just 20,000 to 25,000. This type of elephants attains a height of 2 meter to 3.5 meter, and they weigh between 4,000 kilograms to 5,000 kilograms. In this species, female elephants are smaller than male elephant and they lack completely or have short tusks. Going to our second category, that is Sri Lankan elephants, and these are one of the 3 subspecies of Asian elephant that lives in Sri Lanka. Also, unfortunately, they are endangered species with the population of just 2500 to 4000. This type of elephants attains a height of 2 meter to 3.5 meter and they weigh between 2000 kilograms to 5000 kilograms. In these species, the Sri Lankan elephant are darker than the other 2 subspecies, and the depigmentation patches on their skins are more distinct than that of the others. Only 7% of the male Sri Lankan elephant have tusks. Going to our third category, that is the only living species of the Elephas genus, the Asian elephant, and these are one of the 2 major species of Asian elephant that is distributed across Asia from the Indian subcontinent to Southeast Asia. Also, unfortunately, they are also endangered species. In general, Asian elephants are larger than African elephants. The highest point of the Asian elephant is located on the head. Unlike African elephant have twin-domed head. The ear of these elephants are smaller than those of their African counterparts, since they live in cooler habitat. Asian females lack tusks and male may or may not have tusks. More nail-like structures are present on their feet than the African elephants. Going to our fourth category, that is the African forest elephant. Resides in the forest of the Congo Basin of Africa. Though initially regarded to be the same species as the African bush elephant, genetic studies revealed significant difference between the 2. Also, they are one of the vulnerable species with the population of 1 lakh. It is the smallest of the 3 living elephant species, reaching a shoulder height of 2.4 meter and they weigh between 2500 to 5000 kilograms. Their tusks are straight since curved ones might get caught in the underbush and vines of the forest. Going to our fifth category, that is savanna elephants, and these are the bigger of the two type of elephants found in Africa. The African bush or savanna elephant is more widely distributed in Africa than the forest elephant. Also, they are one of the vulnerable species with the population of 3 lakhs. This elephant is the heaviest and the largest terrestrial animal. The savanna elephant can weigh as much as 10.4 tons and grow 13 feet tall at the shoulders. Their extremely large ears that are used to radiate excess heat, which is one of their most distinct characteristics. They also have longer trunks than other type of elephants and bigger tusks, which are present in both male and females. Going to our sixth category, that is Sumatran elephants, and these are the native to the island of Sumatra. The Sumatran elephant is subspecies of the Asian elephant. Also, unfortunately, they are critically endangered species with the population of just 2400 to 2800. These elephants grow to achieve a shoulder height between 2 meter to 3.2 meter and weigh between 2000 kilograms to 4000 kilograms. And they differ from the other two Asian elephant subspecies in having a lighter skin color. Habitat loss, deforestation and fragmentation as well as poaching threaten the survival of the Sumatran elephants. Going to our seventh category, that is Borneo elephant, and these are found in the northern and northeastern section of island of Borneo in Malaysia and Indonesia. Also, unfortunately, they are critically endangered species with the population of just 1000 to 1500. It is the smallest of the living Asian elephant species, reaching a shoulder height of 2.4 meter to 2.9 meter, and they weigh around 2500 kilogram. Though the Borneo elephant are referred to as pygmy elephants, however, the Borneo elephant are remarkably tame and passive. Another indication that these elephants are derived from domestic stock. Going to our eighth category, that is African elephants, and these African elephants belong to Africa, which has two extant species, the African bush elephant and African forest elephant, which we have shown in previous slides. African elephants are the largest terrestrial animals on earth and are famous for their massive size and intelligent behavior. With a population of just 4,15,000 and reaching a shoulder height of 2.5 meter to 4 meter, and they weigh around 2,268 kilograms to 6,350 kilograms. Male elephant can grow to be significantly larger than their female counterparts.